Why should you learn C language? Where has it come from? Why is it preferred over other languages? Before getting started with C language, you should know these basic things, right? So I'm here to let you know these things. Let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Aismant from skillsgrow.com. Firstly, let's talk about the history of C language. C language was devised in 1972 by Denis Ritchie while he was an employee of Bell Laboratories in the United States. C began to replace the most familiar languages of the time like PL or I, ALGOL and etc. Many programmers preferred C to the newer languages like Pascal and APL. But why? Why has C become the most familiar language? Because C is reliable, simple, and easy to use. Most of the complicated concepts in other programming languages are interrelated with the basic concepts of C language. Let's get to our main part. Why should you learn C language in the first place? These might be the reasons for that. C is a powerful and widely used programming language. Many scientific programming situations use the C language. Did you know that Curiosity rover, which was sent to Mars, was programmed using C language? Yes, it was powered with more than 500,000 lines of code, which were written in C language. Curiosity rover was sent to Mars for the mission to find out whether Mars was suitable for life. And also, some top-known applications like Mozilla Firefox, Thunderbird, Kala Software, Winamp Media Player, and some of the Google applications are written in C language. And let us know the applications of C language. The list of all applications of C language are too numerous to be listed, but some of them are development of compilers, databases and spreadsheets, computer and mobile games, updating the Unix kernel, and designing the network devices. Let's look at the compilers which are available for C language. Most of the Unix operating system have a C compiler. So if you have an access to an Unix powered computer, you can straight away start the coding and compiling of C language. Microsoft C for IBM PCs and Borland C are most commonly used programming environments. There are even more number of free C compilers available on the web like CodeBlocks, Dave C++ and Turbo C. But why C language was developed? At that time, B language was useful in the context of challenges the creators of Unix faced with the operating system. But still there was a lot B couldn't do. B language doesn't support data types and data structures, as much more advanced programming languages are expected in the context of rapidly changing requirements. And thus finally C owes its birth to B because it retained a lot of what B offered. Just like the most of the world's greatest inventions, C was born out of necessity, circumstances, and problems provided the inspiration. C has stood the test of time and thrived. C has not only stayed relevant, but has also provided the inspiration for the development of many other programming languages. The current popularity of C++ may seem to have displaced C's position in the world of programming. But C is here to stay for a long time. So it is better to know C language in order to learn C++ and any other programming languages. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more content from us.